So over here you can see that I have a picture, and now let's see how we can apply the guided speed effect inside of this picture right here. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the guided mode right here. And once I do that, if you were to scroll down, then you can see that speed effect is an option right here. So if I were to go around and click right here, then you can see that I can quickly do the selection right here. So I'm just going to go around and quickly select out the subject right here, which I want to add the speed effect to. So in my case, I'm just going to go around and select this girl right here, roughly just like this, click and drag around. And if you want to, let's say, deselect out something, you can go around onto subtract and deselect that part out over here as well, just like this. You can also go around onto brush size right here and then adjust it accordingly. So now once this is done, you can go around and add in the speed effect right here, as you can see, and change around the angle of the speed over here as well to add in a bit of blur, as you can see. You can increase this out, increase this effect out, or decrease this effect out, as you can see, just like that. So if I were to go around right here and adjust out the angle right here, you can see that kind of like the speed effect is being added out. You can go around and add in a focus area right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and click and drag around, and you can see that only that part is being, let's say, for example, focused out. So that is what you can do. And you can refine out the effect right here by increasing out the size right here. As you can see, you can erase it out right here, or you can add out the effect over here as well. So let's say I want to add it out. Let me just go around onto opacity and add in more effect over here. But if I want to remove it out right here, you can go around onto subtract and remove out the effect from over here, as you can see. So you can go around and remove out the effect right here, just like this, and that is what you have. So that is how you can go around and use the guided speed effect option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.